This is screen washer. You can add antifreeze screen washer. This is engine oil symbol. You can top up engine oil. Open anti-clockwise. When you're going to top up, make sure top up correct grade of oil. Don't going to mix up other. When you're going to top up, read the instruction at the lid. Make sure top up. Top up your engine bay. This is Toyota Auris 2013. I'm going to show you inside bonnet. This is bonnet latch. You need to pull. There is another latch inside. Need to lift. This is the stopper. Do you know what is this symbol? This is screen washer. You can add antifreeze screen washer. This is coolant expansion tank. When it's hot, don't going to open. You ending with your hand burn. You can open and you can top up. You can see this is the low level and here maximum level. This car has a pink color coolant. Just top up only pink color coolant. Don't going to mix up the color. This is engine oil symbol. You can top up engine oil. Open anti-clockwise. When you're going to top up, make sure top up correct grade of oil. Don't going to mix up other grade of oil. It's not good for your timing chain. Because of that, make sure top up correct grade of oil. If you're not sure, you can contact your local parts supplier or dealer and find out which grade of oil this vehicle has. This is the dipstick. You can check oil level. What you have to do, park vehicle level surface, wipe your dipstick. This is the maximum level, this is the low level. We'll see what's going on here. You can see it's very low. Need to top up or this car need a service. This is brake fluid reservoir. This is the maximum level, low level mark inside here. If your reservoir low, make sure your brake pad correct thickness. If it not, have a look around this area, any leak. If it not, you can top up, but it shouldn't be low. If it not any fault, it shouldn't be low. When you're going to top up, read the instruction at the lid. Make sure top up DOT 4. It's here. If you need jump start your vehicle, this is positive line. This is negative. Don't going to mix up negative and positive. You ending with unexpected problem. And when you're going to jump start, do with the steady hand. If you're looking your fuse board engine hood, this is the fuse box. You can open, press this tab, then you can open the fuse box and you can change fuse. You know what to do with your engine bay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.